Hey everyone, I'm excited to talk to you about foaming glass cleaner and how to use this excellent glass cleaning product. If you've ever struggled with a streaky, grimy glass covered in smoggy film, child-induced fingerprints, or dog slobber artwork, you know how important a great glass cleaner is. You need a cleaner that is easy to use, tint-safe, streak-free, and super effective. Foaming glass cleaner checks all those boxes. This professional strength formula allows you to easily achieve crystal clear glass inside and out. Perfectly clean glass is essential for increased visibility and safety, and foaming glass cleaner makes achieving it fast and easy. And it smells great too. The foaming nature of this cleaner is especially unique and provides extended cling and dwell time to effortlessly power through removal of bugs, road grime, smoke film, off-gassing from interior materials, and more. The clinging foam also provides a massive benefit on interior glass surfaces, helping to minimize or completely prevent drips that require more wiping, or blemishes on sensitive interior materials. Additionally, the ammonia and dye-free formula makes it safe and ideal for tinted windows, mirrors, and other glass surfaces. To avoid streaks, it's important to not over-apply foaming glass cleaner, or any glass cleaner for that matter, as this will make it harder to dry your glass and oversaturate your towel as you work around all your glass surfaces. Should your towel become saturated, simply switch to a dry microfiber to ensure that you do not leave streaks behind. Over-application of product and trying to do all your glass with too few towels will make any glass cleaning process frustrating. So practice good technique and you'll love the results you get. Foaming glass cleaner makes achieving perfectly clear, streak-free glass as easy as possible, improving your visibility and safety, and keeping your glass looking impeccable. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel. You can always follow us on Instagram and Facebook, or check out our website at griotsgarage.com. Thank you for watching, and as always, have fun in your garage.